is Caminal Felix. It means happy home, and that's exactly what they provide here. A happy home for abandoned, abused and orphaned children right here in Romania. They come from homes that can't cope. They come from orphanages, from dangerous homes, from homelessness. They come from hospitals and poor communities into a comparative heaven on earth. Okay, now here's the big difference between a regular orphanage and Caminal Felix. You are promised a family and parents for life. So what that means is that the parents here at Caminal Felix are not just here for the kids while they're children, but right through life, as with any regular family. And that's why it would be their desire for their kids to have a place of their own that they can then raise their family in. And today, I'm going to show you how to build a house here in Romania for just £1. Okay, let's say that you want to buy a property here in Romania. Let's say you can find a small 2-bedroom house, which is actually quite rare, but let's say you can find it. It's going to cost you £50,000. So then you need to go to the bank to get a mortgage. You go there, they say we need at least £10,000 off you for a deposit. If you can come up with that, you've got £40,000 remaining. So let's say you take that over 20 years. That £40,000 will actually cost you £67,000. Add the original £10,000 deposit to it, you've paid £77,000 for your house. Okay, now let's talk about what you can earn here, because that's very important. On that mortgage, it would cost you £300 a month. Doesn't sound that much in terms of what we might earn in England. But let's put it this way. If you get a job and you are unskilled, you can earn about £120 a month. If you graduated high school, you can earn approximately £160 a month. If you graduated from university, so you have a degree or even a master's, you might be able to earn around about £230 to £250 a month, or more if you are very blessed. So a £300 a month mortgage suddenly becomes much, much bigger than you originally thought. And remember, that doesn't include your food, it doesn't include medication, it doesn't include transportation, it doesn't include clothes, it doesn't include your electricity, your gas, your water, all the running costs of a home. So you can see very quickly that it makes it virtually impossible for most people in this country. Okay, now let's look at the Caminal Felix numbers. What if we came to Romania and built a house here? What would that mean? Okay, well that same house that would have cost you £50,000 over there somewhere will cost you just £20,000 here. And you get it over 20 years interest free. So is it a giveaway? No, it's not. Is it a freebie? No, it's not. This couple still pays for their own house. They still pay their own amenities like you or I would. But because the house costs less in the first place, and because it's interest free, that makes it now entirely affordable. Okay, so what's the mortgage payment on that every month? Well, it's actually £120, and that includes the land that the house is built on. That's a big difference from £300 a month, and you don't have to pay any of the interest. That's why we want to come here and build a house for a couple who otherwise could never afford their own place. One roof tile, 50p. Electrical cable, 15p a metre. Packet of insulation, £8 for a packet like this. Guttering for the entire house, £190. Waste pipe like this, for a £5. Water pipe, like this, for about £1.50 a metre. Windows, like this, £110. For a piece of wood boarding like this, for £7.50. And then obviously there are lots of other bits in between. There's a ton of wood to go in there. There's cement and concrete. There's filler and adhesives, nails, screws, everything you can think of that it takes to build a house. There's a kitchen, a bathroom, there's flooring, there's tiles, there's a heating system. The whole lot is catered for in this house. Obviously, yes, you can't build a house for £1, but you get the point. However much you've got to give, there's something that you can buy in this project and be a part of building a house just like these that you see. So it's true to say that whatever you can give, small or large, literally can and literally will change somebody's life. And not just this generation, but the generation that's coming afterwards as a family grows in one of these homes. So thanks in advance for your support. Thank you for watching this, and may God bless your generosity.